New $2,500 custom PC won't turn on after I ship it across country. Custom built PC for VM and other basic PC use customer. Built him a great PC, thoroughly tested, well packaged, and insured. A few days after it arrives, I get a message. Cust. I've been trying to power it on for hours, it just won't turn on. I'm thinking of all the terrible things FedEx did to this glorious PC while in transit. Cust. I keep flipping the switch and it's not doing anything. Me. Switch? Cust? Yeah, the big one on the back by all the cords. Me. So the big switch on the back where you plug the power cord into? Cust. Yeah, that one. I keep flipping it and it's not doing anything. Me. Okay. Push the big power button on the front at location. Cust. Wow, thanks. I feel like such an idiot. I have a lot to learn. Edit. Tawat bio. Imgur.com. A. CN6F.